Stop wasting time. Former PNP president urges the country to do away with the Privy Council once and for all. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams. Also this evening, Zuleika Jess denies Kern Spencer another shot at contesting a general election. And crisis looming at Mandeville Hospital. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.